Do you know you can earn just by clearing email? I mean deleting emails for company. That is so amazing. There is so many ways to make money online legitimately. On this particular video, I'm going to share 24 side hustles that will help you to start earning either with your smartphone or with your laptop. But if you don't have laptop, don't worry. You still find ones that you can do with your smartphone and still earn a lot for yourself. So without wasting time, let's dive into the main video. But before I proceed, also know that you can do this anywhere you are in the world. Anywhere it is worldwide. As far as you have a smartphone, you can do it. Okay, the main purpose of creating this video is to help you in case you are that person who have not earned in the online space, or you are looking for ways to earn in the online space. This is your help, and I believe you will surely see what you are looking for. So first is online music reviewer. This is a process where you review music for companies, for individual, for artists, and you get paid. And there is a lot of website that will help you to do that as well. So you are just helping individuals that are confused on which beat or which music or which sound to choose. So when you are able to do that as online music reviewer, you get paid, and this is so lucrative. So another side hustle that will also help you is called online tutor. This is when you're teaching your own local language on the online space and you get paid every 15 minutes. For instance, me, I am an online tutor. I teach on Preply, and my students book trial lesson with me, and once they pay, I earn from that Preply. And there is a lot of website that will also help you to do this online tutor by you just teaching your own local language, whether English, French, Spanish, Mozambique, anyone at all. People are willing to learn your language. So for you to make money with that your language, you can become online tutor, and you also get paid every 15 minutes. I've created videos that will also help you to do that as well. You can also see that video on my channel where I give direction on how to make money just by teaching your own local language in the online space. I'll also leave the link of that video in the video description as well. So another side hustle or legit way you can also earn in this online space that you should take so serious is what we call proofreader. So this is just you cross-checking documents, essay, to make sure there is no error. I mean the spelling, the grammars, the essays, you make sure that it is error free and you get paid. And these proofreaders, they work in different departments. They can work in document or manuscript. They also work in essay part. They also work in sales and marketing parts as well. So it depends on your field or the side you want to proceed with. You also make money. These proofreaders, they make a lot of money because they work with big companies. Yes, big companies, and they also work with some creators, music artists, because they review everything to make sure that there is no error at all. So you can sign up as a proofreader as well. So another lucrative business you can also take serious in the online space if you want to make extra cash for yourself is what we call forex trading. So I'm not going to talk much on that because it's a popular field and it's a very big field as well. So this is where electronic currency trading occurs in pairs, unlike that of stock market where you can buy and sell a single stocks at a time. So in forex market, you buy one currency while selling another. Okay, then another lucrative way you can also make money in the online space or use as a side hustle is what we call Amazon KDP publishing. That is Amazon Kindle publishing. This is just you publishing stories, novels, books in the online space, and you get paid. Okay, it is not a must that you will know how to write. So it's not a must that you will become a professional in writing books before you will become an Amazon Kindle publisher. It's not a must. Okay, if you are able to document some stories or you are a newbie, there are some guys in the online space that will also help you to make money in this field, which is Amazon Kindle publisher, Amazon KDP. Another lucrative side hustle you can also try, which will help you to earn extra cash for yourself, is what we call transcriber or translator. This is just you transcribing other people's language and you get paid as well. For instance, if you know how to speak French and also know how to speak English, you can also transcribe or translate English to French. That means you make it easier for French speakers to understand English and make it clear for them. And as far as you are doing this, you get paid in high currency. You get paid in dollar, in pounds. Many people are doing this one as full-time job or part-time. So it depends on you whether you like full-time or part-time. Another lucrative side hustle that people earn so much money on is what we call blogger. This is just you giving details, giving news in details. You can post it on your Instagram or you create a website for it. Okay, it's a very lucrative business. It's just you helping individual to have more details or get more information about your favorite celebrities. And as you are doing this, you get paid through brands, through adverts, or you monetize any of this your social media. Another side hustle that help people to earn huge money for themselves. Like for instance, one of my sisters is doing this one, and it is called visual assistance. It's so amazing. Visual assistant. This is when you just help companies when you sign up on Upwork and you help companies or individual to review their documents and give them a good report and you earn good money for yourself. So some of them used to earn $300 monthly. Seriously, it's so amazing. So if you need this one, you can also sign up on platform called Upworks and you get paid every time you review or you are working as a visual assistant. Another side hustle you will also take serious is what we call survey taker. Survey is just you answering simple survey question in the online space and you get paid. I've shared multiple videos that explain how to make money using survey, and in that video I also explain the things you need before you start survey and the reason why you need to start survey. And one of the things you need to start survey is your smartphone, but there is other things that are also mentioned. So after this video, also go to my channel to watch how to make money just by answering simple questions. I explain a lot there. You can also see the link in the video description as well. The seventh lucrative side hustle that anyone that wants to make money in the online space should take serious is what we call affiliate marketing or digital marketing. This is just you recommending digital products in the online space and you get paid anytime you make a sale. Many people are doing this one, and this one is one of my favorites. Many of your big creators are doing it. I believe sometimes you used to hear your favorite comedians use the link on my bio or use my coupon code. You used to hear all these things, right? That's what they called affiliate marketing. Once you use that their coupon code or their affiliate link, they are getting commission. So that is so amazing. But there is other ways to do it as well. There is other ways to do it. Don't see it as a big something. It's one of the easiest ways to make money in the online space. Seriously, it works like magic. One of the reasons why I take a time to explain all these things in a video is because when some people get into affiliate marketing, they are confused. So I also explain the things you need to do before you start affiliate marketing. So for you not to be confused when you start affiliate marketing, so it is one of the legit ways to make money, and many people are doing it too, even myself. I've earned a lot from it, and it pays in dollar and other different currencies as well. It pays in Wacha, it pays in Uganda shillings, it pays in Kenya shillings, it pays in cedis, which is that of Ghana, it pays in rands, which is that of South Africa, it also pays in naira, which is Nigeria, it also pays in dollar, it also pays in pounds as well. Okay, so another way you can also make money in the online space, another side hustle that will also help you to earn extra cash for yourself is TikToker. Yes, TikTok. That TikTok, there is a lot of ways you can also make money from TikTok, which I'm going to take my time to explain. One of the way you can also make money from TikTok is what we call subscription, creators better funds, tips, TikTok studio, TikTok shop for those that have international TikTok accounts. Okay, so if you don't have international TikTok accounts, try your best to get it, and I can also help you to do that as well. Okay, so African TikTok is different from that of international TikTok accounts. So if you are growing your African TikTok account, you still need international TikTok account. Okay, because there are some features in your international TikTok account there is not in your African TikTok account. For instance, African TikTok account, you can only make money when you are going live or when you are working for artists. Okay, that's musician. When you are using their songs to create videos, you get paid when you get from 1,000 views and above. But with your international TikTok account, you can make money in different ways, and it pays on 15th of every month. For instance, subscription on TikTok, that's international TikTok account, you get paid on 15th. Okay, and other ways you can also make money from that as well. So if you become a TikToker, when you start creating content on TikTok, And like I said earlier, there is a lot of difference between the African TikTok accounts and that of international TikTok accounts. But I will also help you to get that international TikTok account. And for you to get that, say I need international TikTok accounts in comment section, or you DM me, I will show you how to do that. Okay, then another side hustle that will also help you to start earning online space legitimately is what we call CV or resume writer. Yes, this is when you write CV or resume. CV and resume is almost the same thing, okay, for people, and you get paid. I believe you know what CV is all about, or should I? CV is just a document that you will submit if you are looking for a job, and we also call it resume. Okay, and there is a lot of people who don't know how to do that, but there is a lot of templates you can find on Canva, and you know how to do all these things. So if you are helping people to do it, you get paid by this website, okay, if you write resume or CV for people. Then another side hustle that you will take so serious if you want to earn extra cash or earn in the online space is what we call app creator. Yes, this is just you creating app for people. You can create websites and also create app. You can choose any of these things you can do. Okay, if you are able to create app, then you will get paid in the online space. This one is a huge money, but it requires time for you to learn how to create app. But there are some of these AI websites that will help you to create app for people, and you also get paid. Nowadays things are so easy in this online space, but sometimes people that benefit from it find it hard to share. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why I'm also creating this particular video, to just help you. So another side hustle that will also help you to earn money for yourself in case you are looking for extra ways to earn money is what we call drop shipping. So drop shipping is so easy, and it's a process where you create an online store and be shipping a product to customers. It's so easy, and this product you might not even get any of it, you might not even have it, but you'll be acting as the third party. You get from the producer, then you shift to the customers and you get paid. It's a very lucrative business because people always purchase things in the online space. Okay, so you will be acting as the third party where you shift a product to customers and you get paid. You don't even need to get that product, just to list it on your online store, and there is some website that will help you to create a free or e-commerce online store, and you'll be doing your dropshipping there and make your money. So another lucrative side hustle that will also help you to earn in this online space is what we call online marketing. This is just you marketing some products for companies, for individual, and you make money for yourself. And how will you do it? You can leverage in any of these social media. You can choose TikTok or Telegram or Facebook, and you create videos explaining this product, marketing this particular service or product for people, for company, and you get paid. All you need to do is negotiate with the company or with the individual well, and you get paid. You talk about the products, you talk about their services, and you get paid. So it's one of the legit ways people make money in the online space. It's just like ads, running ads for people. You can become an ads expert and company will be reaching you, and you get paid whenever you run ads for them. You can run Google ads, you can run YouTube, you can run Instagram, Facebook, X, which is Twitter now. You can even run WhatsApp, TVs, okay, anyone, and you get paid, okay, as far as you are talking about this particular product. And this is one of the ways most affiliate marketers sell their own courses or their digital products. So before we proceed, if you have not clicked subscribe up to this point, please click subscribe to always get a video notification, because I always drop videos like this, videos that will help you, because I've tried many different ways to make money in the online space. I create videos so that you will also benefit from them as well. So click subscribe. Then another lucrative way that will also help you to make money in the online space is what we call web designing. This is just you designing or creating websites for individuals or company and you get paid. This is one of a lucrative business that most people take serious and they earn a lot of money for themselves because this one, oh my goodness. You can also become a no-code website designer and still enjoy your money for yourself. It is so amazing, and there is some of this platform or website that will also help you to create or help you to become a professional when it comes to website designing, or you need your own website designing. One of it is what we call Cabos. Okay, it will help you or give you professional that will guide you to design or give you a top-notch website for yourself. Then another thing that will also help you, or side hustle that will help you to earn much in the online space, is what we call YouTubing. And what is YouTubing all about? This is just you creating or posting content on YouTube. YouTube is a great platform that will pay you if you qualify for YouTube partnership program, and ads will start to appear on your video and you make money. And how will you apply, or how will you qualify for this YouTube partnership program? This is where you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour if you are creating long videos. But if you are creating short videos, you only need 500 subscribers with 10 million views. Then you'll be able to make money in different areas on YouTube. Okay, so this is what I mean by YouTubing. When you are posting content on YouTube and you qualify for YouTube partnership program, then you start making money on YouTube. But there are some videos that I've created that will also help you the things you should avoid, so that YouTube will not demonetize your channel when you have started earning from YouTube. Also check this channel to see that as well. I will also leave the link of that video in video description. So another side hustle that is lucrative, you can also take serious if you care to make money in the online space, is what we call eBay seller. So this is where you list an items on eBay auctions, then choose the price. The buyers will bid, then when the auction ends, you sell to the highest bidder. So it's an amazing way people sell their items in the online space and make money for themselves. Okay, so if you have an item to sell, then this eBay auction will help you, and some people even use it as a full-time job. Some use it as a side hustle as well. All you need to start all these things that I've mentioned is just your smartphone or laptop, anyone you have at all. And I know that you grab one or two things from this particular video. If you have any question at all, just drop them in comment section. Ask your question in comment section and I will answer you that question. Okay, so in case you're that person that's looking for other ways to make money in the online space, maybe just by chatting lonely or tired people, then click this particular video. In this video I've explained different ways you can earn just by chatting lonely people. So see you in that video, and as well click subscribe for more videos like this.